Most of us tap a button, see a confirmation screen, and move on with our day. But have you ever paused for a moment and wondered what actually happens behind that simple payment screen? When you send money through an app like PayPal, nothing about it feels complicated. It feels instant, quiet, and almost invisible. And that is exactly why this system behind it is so interesting. In this video, we are going to calmly understand the basic system design of the PayPal app. Not from a technical point of view, not from a business or investment angle, but from a simple educational perspective. We will explain how PayPal is designed to handle secure payments, convenient transactions, digital wallets, and safety features, using everyday logic that anyone can understand. Let's start with something important. When you use PayPal, you are not directly sharing your bank or card details with every person or website you pay. Instead, PayPal sits in the middle. Think of it as a quiet translator between your money and the world. When you make a payment, PayPal encrypts your information. This means your real financial details are turned into protected data that others cannot read. The seller does not see your card number. The website does not store your bank details. They only see a confirmation that the payment worked. This is one of the core ideas behind PayPal's system design. It reduces how often your sensitive information is exposed. Now let's talk about convenience. PayPal is designed to remove friction. Instead of entering payment details again and again, the app remembers your approved payment methods in one place. This creates a digital wallet experience. You can store different cards, bank accounts, or balances inside the same system. When you want to pay, you simply choose, confirm, and move on. This design saves time, but more importantly, it reduces mistakes and hesitation. The system also allows person-to-person payments. You are not just paying businesses. You are sending money to people using something as simple as an email or phone number. Behind the scenes, PayPal maps that identity to an account, verifies the request, checks for unusual behavior, and then processes the transfer. All of this happens quietly, without asking you to understand the complexity. Another important part of the system is global reach. PayPal is designed to work across borders, different currencies, different regions, different rules. The user sees one clean interface. The system handles the complexity in the background. That is not accidental. That is intentional system design. Imagine PayPal like a secure hallway inside a large building. Instead of walking through crowded rooms where everyone can see what you are carrying, you walk through a protected hallway. The hallway checks who you are. It decides which doors you're allowed to open. It keeps track of unusual movement. You don't need to know how the security cameras work. You just experience a smooth walk from one door to another. PayPal works the same way. You don't see the encryption. You don't see the fraud checks. You don't see the system rules. You just experience a payment that feels simple and safe. Here's the mindset shift. Most people think financial apps are just tools, buttons on a screen. But in reality, they are systems designed to reduce stress, mistakes, and risk. When something feels easy, it doesn't mean it is careless. It often means a lot of thoughtful design is happening quietly. Understanding this helps us become calmer users of technology. We stop assuming everything is random or risky. We start seeing that many systems are built around protection, structure, and long-term trust. Awareness creates patience, and patience leads to better decisions over time. This is for educational purposes only. PayPal's system is designed to protect your information, simplify payments, and create trust without demanding attention. It encrypts data instead of sharing it directly. It stores payment methods in one digital wallet, and it uses security systems to watch for unusual activity. When you understand the system, the app feels less mysterious and more intentional. If this explanation helped you see digital payments more clearly, please consider liking the video. That one like quietly motivates me to keep creating calm, thoughtful content that explains systems in a simple and human way. Thank you for watching.